Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting Wheel channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet watermelon keychain and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will use Alize Bebe Sekerim yarn and hook number 3mm as shown now. Let's start. I will start round 1. I will make a magic ring as shown now. Then make 8 single crochet stitches inside that magic ring, then close with slip stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will start round 2. I will make a chain and make 2 single crochet stitches into every stitch across the row to have 16 single crochet stitches at the end of that round. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will start round 3. I will make a chain and make single crochet into first stitch as shown now. I will make 1 single crochet stitch and make 2 single crochet stitches into the next stitch as shown now, and repeat with same sequence across the row to have 24 single crochet stitches at the end of that round. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will start round 4. I will make a chain and make single crochet into next 2 stitches. That's first stitch and that is second stitch, and make 2 single crochet stitches into the second stitch into the third stitch. I will make 2 single crochet into same stitch, then repeat with the same sequence across the row, then close with slip stitch to have 32 single crochet stitches at the end of that round. Then I will start round 5. I will make a chain and make single crochet into next 3 stitches as shown now, and make 2 single crochet stitches into fourth stitch into same stitch as shown now, and repeat with same sequence across the row, then close with slip stitch to have 40 single crochet stitches at the end of that round. Then I will start round 6. I will contrast color to white as shown now, and close previous round, I mean round 5. I will close with slip stitch as shown now with the shape, then make a chain and make single crochet into next 4 stitches as shown now. That's first stitch, and that's second stitch, and that's third stitch, and that's fourth stitch as shown now. Then make 2 single crochet stitches into the fifth stitch from the beginning as shown now, and repeat with same sequence across the row to have 48 single crochet stitches at the end of that round. Then I will start round 7. I will contrast color again to green as shown now, and close that row. Then I will make a chain to start round 7 and make single crochet into every stitch across the round to have 48 single crochet stitches at the end of that round, then close with slip stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished with that shape. Then I will use the black color and tapestry needle to make the seeds for that watermelon as shown now. Then I will make that so here with black color as shown now to make the seeds into the middle of that unit as shown now. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will bend that unit as shown now and do join together with single crochet stitches into every stitch across the row, then close with slip stitch and leave a hole for the end. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will fill that unit with the stuffed material as shown now and continue making single crochet stitches to join two sides together as shown now. Now I finished that unit with that shape. Then I will join the metal keychain with that crochet unit as shown now. Now I finished the watermelon keychain and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.